Hello everyone, my name is Snehal Chavan and today I'm going to narrate the story of the sparrow and the crow. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a crow and a sparrow. The house of crow was on land and was made up of cow dung, and that of sparrow was on the branches of trees. The sparrow, she used to live with her kids, with her like with her kids on the branches of the trees, and the crow, he was alone, living on the land in a small hut. One day, the kids of the sparrow, they asked her, "Mom, what about our food during the winters? Now we are having food because it's monsoon. What will happen when the winter will come? How we are going to survive?" The sparrow was worried and she thought for a while. After some time, the crow came to her house and he asked, "Hey sparrow, are you worried about your food?" Sparrow said, "Yes, little bit I'm worried because how we are going to survive the winters." Then the crow said, "Let's do one thing. Let's go to the landlord and ask for a piece of land. Then we'll together struggle there and we'll sow the corn, and then when the food will come, when the grains will be formed, then we can distribute it among us." The sparrow agreed because she had no other option. The crow said, "Let's go to the landlord." Then they both went to the landlord and asked for a piece of land. Then the landlord said, "Okay, I'll give you a piece of land and you all can do farming there." So the sparrow, on the first day, she went on the farm and she plugged the farm. Each and every part of the farm, she plugged it very properly. And she went to the crow and said, "See, I have plugged the farm. Now can you please do the further processes because alone I won't be able to do it so." Then the crow said, "Don't worry sparrow, I'll help you. I'll do the remaining processes." Then the sparrow said, "Okay, so tomorrow we both will come to the farm and we'll sow the seeds." And then the crow said, "Okay." But on the next day, the crow didn't came to the farm. Then the sparrow, she sowed every seed, every part of the farm. She sowed the seeds in the farm. And then at the end of the day, she went to the crow and said, "Hey crow, you were going to come to sow the seeds. Why didn't you came?" The crow was actually sleeping, but he told her that my father is ill and I was supposed to take him to the hospital. That's why I was not able to come. And the sparrow thought, "It's okay, fine, your father was ill, so it's okay." Then she said, "Okay." And after some days, when it was time to water the plants, the sparrow said, "Hey crow, I have done earlier processes. Now please come and water the plants." The crow said, "Okay, hey sparrow, don't worry, I'll come and I'll water the plants." On that day also, the crow was sleeping and the sparrow, she watered all the plants. And at the end of the day, the sparrow went to the crow and she said, "Hey crow, why didn't you come today? Because it was your turn now to water the plants." And the crow said, "See, my mother was ill. That's why I was not able to come. And I was supposed to take her to the hospital. So it was a genuine reason. Please forgive me. Next time when it will be any other task related to our field, I'll do it." The sparrow thought for a while and she said, "Okay, fine. Your mother was ill, so it is a valid reason." So the sparrow went to her home. Then after some days, when it was time to cut the plantlets and separate the grains or corn from the plantlets, the sparrow said, "Crow, now you have to do this because all the things I have done." And the crow said, "It's okay, I'll come and I'll do it." On that day also, the crow, he was sleeping at his home and he didn't went to cut the plantlets. And the sparrow, she alone managed to do everything. Now, when everything was done and it was time to distribute the grains, the crow came and he said, "Let's distribute the grains. But since you have taken much more efforts than me, I'll give you I'll give you much more amount of grains and you can take more amount of grains." So the sparrow said, "Okay." So that day, they distributed the grains. And after some days, the same thing happened and crow went to another sparrow. Now this time, the sparrow, she was very clever And what she did, she said, Kissy, fine. Then the same thing the crow did with that sparrow also. And then she said, Kissy, you have not done anything, so I'll not give you single grain also. You are not supposed to take a single grain also because you have not taken any efforts to grow the plantlets, to water them, to plug the field. You have done nothing. So that year, the crow, he had to suffer from hunger because he had no option, and he was helpless. So the moral of the story is that whatever tasks are assigned to us, we should do it with honesty, because those tasks are for our benefits. So we should not avoid things, and we should be ready to struggle and do our tasks honestly. So thank you very much.